haven't done anything yet. Oh.
It's okay, baby.
Just wanting to be warm and quiet, huh? Okay, let's see.
He opened his eyes.
Oh, you don't like that? It's very slow.
It's like he heard it, but he's.
Yeah.
I wanna sleep. How would you know if he passed the test if he sleeps?
Yeah, it's done while they're sleeping because he's rested, and it reads the brainstem responding to the
Oh,
sound.
okay.
Yeah. Did you name him yet?
Yes. It's Raiden Razak Davis.
Davis is the last name.
Yeah.
How do you spell Ryzen?
Raiden is Raidon.
What is your date of birth?
January 681. It's just so quiet.
Yeah, he's resting.
Is that responding or?
Usually they don't. They mostly just stay resting and they stay quiet. It's a low sound.
But just it will gives you way if it's responding.
It's measuring the activity of the brain, hearing the sound.
Does she do good?
Yes, it's going well. The right ear's done already.
Oh, so it's one by one?
Well, sometimes it's just the machine. Sometimes it goes faster on one and then the other one finishes.
It's too quiet.
Okay, it's all done.
Yay! How did he do on both of the ears? Is
Yeah,
good?
it went well. The nurse will give you the information.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Try not to disturb you too much. You didn't want to be disturbed. Get this one. Sorry.
Ah, it's okay. Can go back to sleep now.
Congratulations.
Thank you.